your spouse. It's amazing therapy. All right, we got sticks up all the way around. Let's give a countdown, guys, starting from 5, 4. Green flag.
They slowly back out of the grandstand start as these couples start trying to find their marks. Big hit for the 65 on the 29 machine. The Shrekmobile like she's the donkey. Here comes Shrek. Here on the 555. Surgeon on the number 85. Five and a half, only got one wheel feel left as he's dragging the rig rear tire. Finding the 069 in the north side of the ring and finds the 65 in the center. Shrek comes in for a big hit on the number 77 as the 77 remains over the count. Another big shot by the 155 on the 65 car, trying to break every axle that she can. We're down to 6 couples cars in motion. We're down to 6. Swing and a miss by the 29 machine on the 069. '21 finds the mark to get the count taken off. A couple cars still in motion. We got the Shrek car, the 069, the 113, the 29, the 21, and the 155. Shot of the 29 on the 069. That back end starting to fold upwards. That's starting to look like another loaf of banana bread like you'll see in the trucks. We got a 5-car pile up center of the ring. The 113 finds the 21 car that's stuck at the end of the track trying to get moving again. Looks like they only have one wheel peeled. '21 finds the 29 to get back off the count. The cat and mouse games have already begun, trying to take their shots. Big hit by Shrek on the 155 to the right front tire. We got the 21 pushing the 069 and the 113 in the top of the track. The 29, the 128, and the 155 in the middle of the ring. We got two separate 3-car battles. The 113 says this battle looks more fun and hits the Shrek car. Everyone here is trying to pick their shots wisely. I think some of these ladies are listening to the advice that they're getting from the passenger seat. The other ones are like, I've got this. Red flag, red flag, red flag. Red flag, drivers, red flag, red flag. We got a bumper. Lindsay, can we get it from a 3, 2, 1, let's go. These flying couples working, trying to see who's going to win the couples heat of this year's Fall Brawl. 155 laying out a big hit on the Shrek car. 29's in the middle of the pile-up trying to shovel these cars together. Big hit by the 069 on the 29, trying to cave in that right rear quarter on the right rear tire, trying to limit the mobility of that big car. We still have 6 cars officially still going as we got a few cars underneath the count. We got the 069 smoking pretty good in the middle of the ring. Probably lost the radiator on that last shot. We got the 131 making a hit on the 21. 29 going on the 069. I don't think the 113 realizes that the 029 is still going as well. They're watching that 21. Now she knows. We got a bunch of cars under the count. We got 2 cars in motion as the 155 is trying to break free from the Shrek car. The 21 is trying to refire.
We have 3 cars remaining. 3 cars remaining. Car number 29, car 113. And car 155. 155 is under the count. 155 under the count. Car 113 and 29.
We got the 29, the 113 working south side of the track. It looks like we got the 155 taking third place as they're hooked up on the Shrek car. We're down to 2. These two ladies trying to pick their shots.
We are down to 2, down to 2. The 113 of Jennifer Taylor, the 29 of Kim Salisbury.
Swing and a miss by the 29 on the 113. Trying to back her way out of the corner. Start playing a little cat and mouse. She's going to make the 29 chase her all the way up the ring. Ooh. Shoves her all the way down to the 65. The 113 is going to push the 29 back. The passer of the 113 wants you to cheer super loud, Lindsay.
Kim Taylor waving at you guys, wanting to hear some noise. What a shot from the 29. The 113 is under the count. The 113 is under the count. The 113. Trouble steering, trying her hardest to steer, trying, you can see her trying, she's trying to get in touch with the 29.